Factories have always relied on routine maintenance schedules, but what if machines could tell us when they're about to fail? That's the promise of AI-driven predictive maintenance. By analyzing data from sensors embedded in equipment, machine learning models can detect subtle patterns that precede breakdowns. These models learn from historical failure data and real-time operating conditions, flagging anomalies that human operators might miss. For example, vibration analysis can reveal bearing wear, while temperature spikes might indicate motor issues. The result is fewer unexpected downtime events and lower maintenance costs. One major automotive manufacturer reduced unplanned outages by 30% using such systems. The key is integrating sensor data with cloud-based analytics, enabling continuous monitoring and early warnings. While not perfect, these systems are becoming more accurate as they process more data. For manufacturers, the takeaway is clear: adopting AI for maintenance is not about replacing human judgment but enhancing it with data-driven foresight.